fifth one. I can go over there, but I'm just gonna work my way over here, then over there, way back towards my car. So this is looks like newer ones here at the 14th day of April, 2024. The Minneapolis Jewish Cemetery. These looks like newer ones. I should have looked up on the phone where it said Hartman was buried, but kind of work along. Well, this is like newer ones probably, but it's a very big cemetery, as you can tell. They got lots of room here to build. Finger hut. More cones. That's a nice one. These are more recent. It's nice. Yes, it's Zolly Barrett's from Oak Ridge Country Club. Nice man. I remember he was a very slow golfer. I coached his grandson. He's now an agent, but he was a great guy. The old Zolly. He was into real estate, so it's good to see his plaque here. Let's sit down and talk to Zolly. Good shit. Nice man. His wife was a good shit too as well. Savage. These are older too as well, but some of those are new. Variety over here, different kind of headstones. This one's kind of Wexler. Inseparable, internal at rest. Lady out taking her dog for a walk. This 1842 and 1874. Really can't read it, but oh my God, that's an old one. Oh my goodness. 1948, 1952. Esther Cohn. She died in 1951. Clifford. That's a nice one. As good as see Zolly's gravesite. He was a good shit. He used to take caddies all the time. Him and his wife did the old days. They played really slow, but they were good people. His son was a good shit, so was his grandson. Leibowitz, I recognize that family name. There was a guy named Pearl at Oak Ridge, just a great guy. I remember we were on the 6th hole, he had all his grandchildren, like 9 of us in the group. And Mr. Miller comes over and he goes, "Hey, your house is on fire." And he goes, "Nothing I can do about it. I'm with my grandchildren." He goes, "Just call me." They put it out. He's like, "I don't care. That's what the fire department's for." It was funny. His name was Pearl. I don't think it's him, but it was just hilarious. Really nice man. It might be him. It might be him. I don't know. Might be Norm Pearl. It might be him from Oak Ridge. That was funny. He was hilarious. Have a couple beers with beers. 2016. That might be him. It was just hilarious. He's like, "Yeah, nothing I can do about it. I'm all with my grandchildren." It was the funniest thing. 1979. Need a little help in the grass here. Feel me? Well, I saw Max here for a minute. Like that over there. You can sit down and talk. Yeah, I love those. Well, this one's nice. This one's cool. Very nice. Look at this one. His smile will live on eternity. She gave us everything. That's right. (1974), he was 87. Ben. See, on Sid's, I would have put Buzz Chad above it. "What do you do for a living, sir?" He always did. When you get mad, when you call in, Rip and the twins. Miss Sid, he was the best in the morning on the way in at Oak Ridge Country Club. He was the best. He was so cool. Great radio guy. I think he'll be 100, I think. Manny. Army. Right over here in the corner over here. So, if I go one more, go over here. So, anyways, hope you're enjoying it. Got a little plot over here, greens. It's kind of cool over here. Looks like a little family plot over here. That's kind of cool. Very nice. Very, very nice. Anyways, guys, we'll see you in the next one here. We'll go work our way over there back to the car. So, one more video here, okay?